Hello everyone, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here in our paddy field because I am watering in our paddy field. And actually, today I wake up early in the morning around 8 a.m. because this is the wake up is very lately because it's the Ramadan month. That's why I wake up early 8 a.m. And dear friends, and after wake up and after that I have come here in our paddy field because in our machine actually many problems. That's why very lately watering in our paddy field. Dear friends, you can see in our hand many grass. Actually it's the black symbols, I think. So in our machine so many problems. That's why very lately watering in our paddy field. So dear friends, nowadays I can't making any practicing video and any blogging video, and because many things, many problems. That's why I cannot any blogging video and any practicing English video. So dear friends, today I practicing and blogging video start, and this is the my continuously daily blogging video I achieve. Actually I think daily practice this language. Actually on man, actually he is daily practicing. My own friends, he is daily practicing this language, and this is the skill. And he is just 3 months. He is just 3 months daily practicing and conversational video making, and after 3 months he is a fluent speaker. It's I think it's how is it possible you your this language. So I think I am also a human being. That's I also this process daily blogging video and making conversation video, and I am also a fluent speaker after 3 months or 4 months. So that's why I am daily making blogging video and practicing video make. And so dear friends, you also you making this language and making blogging video and practicing video. And dear friends, you also achieve these goals, I think. So dear friends, I am just a beginner and my many mistakes, because it's a doesn't matter beginner system, and actually beginner level so many problems this language, and this is the skill. And I think it's a very opportunities for me, because it's a before actually before 5 years, before 10 years ago, and that time no internet, no technology. That time on language achieved so many problems, because nowadays I think today's day actually my internet develop because I have one mobile and internet. So many opportunities that time, because one mobile phone is the big opportunity, because one mobile phone and many things, because one YouTube, and go to the YouTube that time search the English practicing video and English learning video, how to improve the language, and search and many videos, and so many videos, and that time watching one or two video. and I think this is the best opportunity. And so dear lovely friends, today my blogging video, and this is the things actually I cannot good explanation these things actually. Now I think this is the language, and daily practicing, and I think I will be able this language before after 6 months later I will be able this language, and good fluent speaker that time, and very good explanation. And this is the thing. So dear brother, so today thank you dear lovely friends, next time